Champ Barbecues. Today we're doing up sweet and spicy R baby back ribs on a Weber Kettle 26. Oh hell yeah. These baby back ribs, we're gonna rip that membrane off and we're gonna coat these things, rub them down with that shake. Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R. Oh hell yeah. We're cooking it on the Weber Kettle 26. With royal oak lump charcoal and that heat diffuser with that basket in there. And yeah, we're gonna do 2-2-1 method. So folks, we got into the arts and crafts. Check it out. Boom. Yep, sticker board is starting up. And let me tell you, if you can find these at your local Tractor Supply in their clearance section, they're metal. They got cows on them. There's a brown cow and a white cow. And I grabbed 3 of them, $4.59. Originally 25 bucks. Spray painted it with a little bit of whatever color you want as your background. And boom! Arts and crafts up in the shanty. Oh hell yeah. So we're using that Uncle Steve shake today. Boom! Look at this sucker. Sent me a new bottle. Just check this out. I've already gone through a whole one. Damn. This is good stuff, folks. Go check it out. Link in the description. Go get yourself some. You will not be disappointed. This is awesome. 2 hours unwrapped, wrap them up 2 hours with a few slabs of butter, brown sugar, and honey. Wrap that sucker up. We're only spritzing one time with a little bit of water at the hour mark. Wrap them up, 2 hours, unwrap them, and then we're going to coat them with a little bit of this Guy Fieri's Kansas City barbecue sauce. Oh hell yeah. Fall off the bone ribs. Oh hell yeah. That was not the intention, but damn. I mean, they ain't winning any presentation points, but that flavor is banging. Man. I think if you only wrap them from 1 hour instead of almost 2, that'd be right on point. Flavor's insane though. I mean, it rocks. It just tender as all hell. So if you haven't tried it, go get yourself some Uncle Steve shake, sweet and spicy R. Oh hell yeah. That rocks. Damn, these are good. I don't care who you are. Those are so damn good. I could eat the whole rack myself, I'm sure. I'd be close, but damn, those are good. Go get yourself some. The link is in the description for the recipe. Oh, go make it. So these baby back ribs, boy, I should have went 2-1 one. Left them wrapped for 2 hours, and they just, trying to flip them over out of that wrap, they just fell apart, man. 275, or if I went 225, 250, I think it would have been all right. But man, 275, just too much. Wrapped for 2 hours. That's way too long. And they fell apart. Guess what? They were delicious. Amazing. And no appearance points at all. So they rocked either way. So, yeah, give it a shot, man. Awesome ribs. But I would suggest probably not wrapping at all unless you want to add everything that I did. But I think the next time I'm doing ribs, I'm not wrapping. Last summer, I got to that point. I just wasn't wrapping at all. And they come out amazing. They really do. So join the Beer Champ Nation. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, you bastard.